Hey guys, so I've been documenting like the end products of my 365 days of learning challenges, and so this time I wanted to peel back and show some of the behind the scenes of what actually goes on to the completion of a course on Coursera, for example. So today I'm currently working on the machine learning for business professionals, which is a course on Coursera by Google Cloud. Shout out to Google Cloud. They have some of the best courses on Coursera, and it was free because financial aid. If you're on Coursera and you're a student, you should definitely apply to that. So I'm currently on week 1, and I've been exploring chatbots, obviously, and I think I shared a video of building a chatbot on AWS for the first time. I came across chatbots during the F8 conference, so the F8 hackathon. Shout out to Joe, shout out to Bafo, and also to Roberta. We're able to build a chatbot it's called Ballers on Facebook. We're still currently working on it. So that was my first exposure to chatbot. And after that, I was like, you know what? We had to build it in PHP for Facebook Messenger, and it was a bit iffy. I was like, there's probably an easier way to do this. And I researched and I found that you can actually build chatbots on these amazing online cloud platforms like GCP and AWS. So last week I built one in AWS and I showed a video on my LinkedIn. This week, fortunately, this course, Machine Learning for Business Professionals, you should check it out on Coursera by Google Cloud, is also letting me build the same thing on GCP. So without further ado, let's get into it. This is checked because I've probably done it before, just to make sure everything was right before I actually started making this video. So let's just get into it. So first of all, one thing that I would say is that one thing that I love about Coursera, especially GCP on Coursera, is how they integrate these sandboxes, especially in quick labs, so you get the first-hand experience of what it's like to use GCP. So shout out to Google Cloud for doing that. It's amazing. And the beauty of it is you can always restart your lab. So one thing that I always do is that after I'm done with the course, I save the course, because you don't get to delete the course. You save the course, and you could always go back to every lab that you've always done. So you can essentially redo the lab again. For example, if you've forgotten how to do something, you can go through the lab and just remind yourself. So let's just get into it now. One thing that you should always do is to always read the labs, because some things will get you. So I'm opening quick labs right now. So I'm getting out of Coursera and going into quick labs. So here it is. Yeah, I've already started this lab. I didn't end it the last time I started it again, but let's see what it is. It says create a pizza ordering chatbot with DialogFlow. So I'm guessing like DialogFlow is like Google's answer to Amazon AWS Lex. So just read what it is in it. Ooh, this is a lot. It's a lot of reading. Shows you how to get into the Google console. So if you've already done a lot of GCP courses like I have, you for the first task is pretty much the same thing as a copy and paste thing. Okay, getting started with DialogFlow. Create your first dialogue agent. Create your first intent to extract data with entities. Oh, I feel like I'm just saying things. So we're going to go through what each of these things mean, like the agent and the intent. Like I said, I've already built it in AWS, so these things are not very new to me. I know what it is. I'm just going through the various tasks that I had to complete for this course. Map the parameters of your intent to the entities. Use slot filling, and then end lab. Okay, cool. So since we've gone through all the tasks, let's just see what it says. DialogFlow requires a Google account, so I need to sign in. Okay, but before that, before we do that, start lab. We've already started the lab. I got 58 minutes more. Can I finish all this in 58 minutes? Possibly not, but hey, it's worth a try. Now, open Google console. I think it's advisable to open it in incognito browser, but I rarely ever do that, because I always like remove or clean up the usernames and stuff. So I never. What is advisable is it's like the first lab. They tell you to open it in incognito, which is a choice, so you don't end up getting charged for what it is for using Google Cloud. Okay. So why do we need to open AWS? And I think that's the reason why we need to open Google Cloud platform, because we need to enable the APIs. I've already enabled the APIs, but for the sake of this, let's just go over it. And this is one thing that I love about GCP. I'm not saying other cloud services don't do that, but for a hobbyist like myself, who is not like in corporate or who is not an huge industry player, it's just a ex-college student who just likes to experiment with various technologies, they establish the processes little by little. So it's a step-by-step process. Even if you've never done anything in Google Cloud, the labs in Coursera, in these Google Cloud Platform courses, allows you to follow step-by-step processes that you could essentially learn from. So let's get into this. So enable the APIs. So it's the navigation menu. Again, I've done this multiple times, so I'm always, I know where to go essentially. Yeah. Okay. And the API we need to enable is the DialogFlow API. Search for. What am I doing? Epic fail. Hey. So DialogFlow API. There it is. It's already enabled. Hey, like I said, I've already finished this lab, but just wanted to go through with everyone else. Getting started with DialogFlow. I don't know why they call it DialogFlow, because it's a chatbot. Okay, Google. So let's sign in. I'm gonna sign in with my personal account because when I tried to use the Google student account for the Google Labs, it wasn't working for some reason. So I'm gonna sign in with this, and this has already Pizza-Bot. And let's see, can I delete it? Delete this agent. Type delete here. It now create agent, like we said. Again, always make sure to follow the instructions, especially trying something new. It's very tricky, And that's one thing that I love about this, that I'm not very good at memorizing things. Able to follow along processes and do it myself is one of the reasons why I love these labs. So let's keep going. Creating a new agent. Supposed to name our agents. You know what? Let me split the screen. This is gonna go here, and DialogFlow. It's gonna go here. Okay. Awesome. Create an agent. So creating the agent, I'm gonna enter Pizza-Bot. No, let's just create one. Please create one. I'm just making it. Time. Hey, okay. Awesome. So it seems like I have created my very first chatbot in GCP. Okay, that's cool. Now let's do a bit more reading in DialogFlow console. see intent, entities, knowledge, fulfillment, intuition. Middle of the page shows the list of intents for the agents. There they are. We have the default fallback intent, default welcome intent. See, now this is why I love online courses. Like, I get to do this in real time. Like, there's no pressure on me that, hey, it's going to affect your GPA. I'm not panicking. If I can't understand something, I can just Google it, and I know it's not like I'm cheating. There's no pressure on me to, you know, fit a certain mold. And I can always pause it if I need time to do more. Okay. It says on the right is the DialogFlow simulator. This lets you try out your agents by speaking or typing. Oh, speaking of typing. See? Okay. So let's be honest, like AWS is way ahead of the curve when it comes to like selling to corporate guys, and they're probably gonna make more billions and billions than GCP. They're like way ahead, and GCP is trying to catch up. But one thing that I love is how easy Google focused on like machine learning and AI. So instead of like being good across all the cloud, like they focus on integrating AI and machine learning through all their products. So it's so simple, you know, being able to try it out in just text and speech without even doing anything. Well, you know what, let's see what happens. So please use test console above and try a sentence. Okay, so let's see. I haven't done anything. I just created the bot. I haven't added anything. Let's see what happens. It says, I missed what you said. What was that? I didn't get that. Can you say that again? Hello? Yeah, at least we know that it's getting some default response. Okay. I need to edit some few things, but at least it works, you know. My first chatbot. Not much, but hey, it works. Agents, time to try out your. We've already tried that. Greetings, how can I didn't get this response though. Ooh. Positive response. So click on the default welcome. Okay, let's see. It says training. Just going to say hi, howdy, hi there, hey. Let's see. Hi. Okay, this is all this training. But it says we should put it in the response actions. Okay, nice. We have action parameters. We have response actions. Now, add a response. It's a text response. So what do we need to do? Let's copy these things. Copy, paste. Yay! Click save. Over there, exactly. And click save. Save. Nice. Try saying hello. Oh, look at this. Yay! Agent training completed. Okay. Did you see that? It was training the model. Okay, let's see. So, hello. Oh, hi, how are you doing? Welcome to the store. I can assist you with store hours or place and order. Which would you like? Oh, let's try the voice to see if it'll work. Hello. Hey. Okay, see, I have my first chatbot. That's so cool. I already did in AWS, but still, this is cool. I had the voice. I literally didn't just copy and paste it. And GCP did all that. So shout out to GCP, man. Google, y'all doing something really fun. Same way you may customize responses for your default fallback intent. Let's do that. Let's go back. Welcome intent, fallback intent. Oh, what are some of the training phrases? Okay. Could you please repeat that? I'm not sure if I understand what you need. Action or non-responsive. Okay, now let's save this intent saved. Okay, agent training started. This is nice. This is real nice. Agent training completed. Okay, now let's see. You bugging who? You bugging me? Do the same thing for the fallback intent and then the ball. And we're gonna create our first intent. So just cover this query, create it, and open it. Okay. So create intent. Intent is for opening hours. So essentially what we're going to be doing is to allow our chatbot to answer questions or queries relating to times our imaginary pizza box. So we need to put in the training. I'm guessing this is what trains the ML model, you know. So like the more you have in your training phrases, the better. That's my guess. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if there's any Google brain AI person who could help. Guessing for like an actual chatbot, you're gonna put way more training phrases in there. Oh look, did you see this? It's highlighted. I'm guessing it has something to do with like the time and the date, you know. I'm guessing so. It's training. Now in the response section, so we've done the training. What are some of the responses that we're supposed to add? There's just one response. Okay. Out in our simulator, which is on the right side. But let's just put a hi there. Just see this? I just asked, are you open? And it says, are you closed? But then the model will be able to identify. Okay. Good job. I'm liking this. Yeah, you know, like I feel like building chatbots shouldn't be hard. You know, it should be a very easy thing to. This is really easy. This is really nice. Okay, good job, GCP. Now it says extract data with entities. Yeah, no need to use the errors. So we're gonna add parameters to our intent. So we're done with the opening hours, saved. What we need to do right now is to create another intent, and this time this intent is going to be called order.pizza. So I'm guessing this is what this intent is to help you These are our training phrases. Today at noon. Again, remember how today was highlighted. Oh, see? These are the entities. Sure, like this is how it's stored. Databases. Yeah. Time and the date. Okay. This is the date, it's just the time. It's a lot. I use all of them because, like, you know, it's essential to make the model better. You know, the more data you have, the better it is. So. Gonna be a bit. Okay. DialogFlow automatically detects which. Look at this. They already created the parameters, which is the time. Did you go away? Go away, email. Go away. Name phrases. Parameters optional. Date and time. It's not a list. In the response section, which is right here, it says great. Okay. Oh, so the date and time are like variables that Chatbot stores. Responses is date and time. Okay. How does it create the variables? Just okay. Try it out. Now let's save this. Yay! And we're supposed to order a cheese pizza. Okay. Hey, you got the date right. To order a mushroom pizza for pickup tomorrow at 12 a.m. What I like, I was able to get my, speech to text correct, which is wow, amazing. Okay, these are some powerful ML models at work. Okay, let's keep going. Enough about me beefing up Google's ML stuff. They don't need my. Now we're gonna create more entities. Yay! So we already have order pizza. We already have. What are the entities we have right now? Let's see. We already have opening hours, order pizza, and then our default welcome intent, and then the fallback intent. Okay, cool. I keep showing all how I felt. Now create new entities next to entities. How come my entities? I'm looking at intent. Okay, so create an entity. Again, what are entities? What does it say? It says, this is great, let's not forget we still need to extract other parameter values like pizza toppings for which the entities do not exist. Okay, so the entities are like the date and the time which were created automatically for us, but we could do things like the pizza toppings, the size of the pizza, etc, etc. Those would be the entities. Okay, so add the name, size into the entity name. So we're gonna just make sure to find this check. Okay. Enter this or medium large. Hit enter to the next row. Wait, just and enter 3 values that says create. find synonym sticks. Enter 3 values in the text box that says click here to edit. A tab. You don't get how you're supposed to do this. Oh. Small, large. Wasn't wrong. See, this is why I like this. This is. I'll probably like just be. Okay. In the same way, add another entity called pizza toppings. Oh, training completed. I really like this. Seeing how the model is being trained like in real time. This is really good. Okay. So another entity is the pizza topping. Is this talkative and I'm learning? No. Mushroom and mushrooms. Pizza, bacon pieces. I like bacon on my pizza. I don't eat it. I need to order it. Like bacon is good. That's something that it's gonna take a long time for me to do. Yeah. I never put hot peppers on my pizza though. Oh, this is the reference value. So the synonym is for the reference value. You get it? So but I don't think they're trying to do that. They're trying to keep it very easy. No, that's what happens if you don't have a synonym for it. What would happen? Well, let's try it out. Let's put ham. What are the things that I'll put on my pizza here? What's on the pizza? Okay. This is really dope. Really enjoy it. It's very satisfying seeing that the model has been trained on your data set. Oh, it's really satisfying. Now click on intents on the left menu. Oh yeah, I already have intents. I'm creating another intent. Yeah, we already have auto pizza, right? Now look at the first training phrase. Click on auto pizza. Highlight the word that is either the topping or the size. So I have large. Okay. You gotta map it to, okay. really have pizza top. Just for size. Are we supposed to do it for all of them? I'm guessing. Yeah. Where are you? Rolling. Yeah, that's gonna be top. How easy they've made like machine learning, highlighted, and it's made it really convenient. It's not easy. It's and here's a who. Did I hear a who? No, unfortunately. What would I do if I heard a who? What would This is so fun. Like, what other field is this fun? Look at what I'm trying to do. I think people who are even non-technical can find. Once you've done all this training, you can see all the. Oh, there they go. See it, the pizza topping. I have 2 pizza toppings. That shouldn't be though. Is it because of mushroom? Okay. Now let's see. Find our responses. Section to include an additional. Okay, so let's just add this response to it. Again, these are the variables that it's going to take. No. Assign pizza topping 1 to end. Pick up. Save. Okay. Again, this is perfect documentation. I had never seen DialogFlow ever before, so this documentation not only introduces me to the product, it walks me through how to use the product. So there's not much need for Stack Overflow or Googling things. Everything is explained in simple, clear language. As long as I'm following it, I should be fine. Again, salvage update response in action. Oh, okay. So we don't need this. It says that we can have a is list here. So this is list, and this is list. Let's see. So you can put things in there. Okay, so it says what? Parameter. Okay, what size pizza do we want? Also check the check boxes. You will see a new column. Do I see a new column? I don't see a new column though. No, let's expand this so I can see clearly. Okay. Looking for prompts. Okay. So I see choose a new column added for each parameter called prompts. I don't see a new column now. Defaults. Click define prompt. I'm not supposed to say. I feel like I should save this first. Let's save this. I'm supposed to. I don't see prompt. Oh, you're supposed to check them. Remember that meme? Read the instructions carefully. Yeah. What a college education does at least help you with. Shows you one line of instruction that I was messing up. Now let's see. Okay. For each parameter, click the define prompt for each parameter. So we have the dates. Let's define it, and the prompt should be what day do you want to pick up. And the time is what time do you want to pick up pizza. I'm going to delete this one because we don't need two topping. Yeah, delete. Try it out in the simulator. Save. Can I have a large pizza, please? Can I have a large pizza, please? It can be done, I just haven't done it yet. What time? Okay. What day do you want to pick up? Friday. PM. Cheese and mushroom. Oh, okay. See that? I have a large pizza, please. What day do you want to pick up your order? Saturday. I have a large pizza, please. Monday. PM. 80, I did not. Cheese and chicken. Just getting my accent wrong. At least it worked the first time. So, hey, and I'm done with the lab. At least it's not deployed, but I know how to make it work. See, so you know, what have I done? I'm able to start DialogFlow. And no shade, I kind of like this more than AWS Lex. I feel like it's great for like corporate people, and there was a lot of things that I had to do in Lex. There was a lot of checkboxes I had to check, you know. But for hobbyists like myself, who's not, you know, I'm not rich, I'm not trying to, you know, spend hundreds of thousands of dollars on that cloud technology. I'm just trying to experiment with it and see which one I like. I think GCP takes it for the win for me with this one. It was very easy to use. The documentation was amazing. It was simple to read. It wasn't, you know, a lot of technical things thrown at you at one time. So they did a good job. I applaud whoever set up this lab. So this is practically how I do some of the labs on Coursera. I like to, you know, have fun with it. It's really exciting. That's one thing I love about MOOCs. I get to experiment with various technologies that I might not be able to do so, you know. I don't think I'd ever know of DialogFlow if I wasn't like in this active mood of always learning. So this has been a very fun process. I hope you enjoy watching this, and hopefully we get to do more of this. Yeah, so I'm gonna save this, log out of this. I can find out how to log out of this. There's so many other things we could do, but not today. I want to finish this course. This course is amazing. I enjoy it. So I'm logging out, logged out. I got 90 more minutes. End the lab. Lab has ended. I'm guessing this is on the, yeah, taking forever. This was a 5-star. What are the comments? Of the documentation, which allowed a newbie like myself. What is this? It's in newbie in what's it? And done. So this I really appreciate it. And there's gonna be more videos to see how, you know, exploring technology, especially